Hi, dear ma'am. Tapos tatakbo to, ma'am. Let's go, ma'am. Wow, bagets. Ang ganda ng outfit niya. I love your outfit. Yes, ma'am bagets. Kaya ko dito? Yes.
Upo ka lang.
Hindi ko magsasabi, no?
Pili kayo ng color ng hat niya.
Ikaw magsasabi. Emma, one leg. At the count of 3, ma'am, you will wave this and you will say, yeah! Great body weight.
Oh, Central Texas Roll Call. Feel very special guest again.
Here we go!
Congratulations, Mommy Eden, celebrating her
18th birthday!
Guys, when you say happy, you say birthday. Happy
Birthday!
Happy
Birthday!
Countdown 3, I want to hear it.
Loudest and proudest Texas guys! Yeehaw! 1, 2, 3.
Go, ma'am. Happy birthday.
Parang mag-paddle, no? Ayaw pa naman pala.
Thank you.